there, welcome back to Glass Art Diva. It's Carol, and today I want to start working on our holly leaves with this bird. One of the things I want to do is add berries to it. So what I'm going to do is just wrap some foil around this little red bead that I have. Now trying to burnish it after I'm done is going to be a real pain. So what I do is I quickly wrap the foil, and I try to make sure that the join is fairly even. And I just kind of push down on the foil. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to put it in this little mason jar and I'm going to give it a shake. Now I wanted to show you before I start how it's not smooth. The foil is not smooth, but if you go and put it into a jar and give it a few shakes, and I'll move it away so that you're not just hearing me shake this jar. What happens now is that it's nice and smooth, and it's great to, it'll be able to, you can put the 2 or 3 together like so, and it will take the solder nicely. Now, what you will need to do before you can do that is tin each one individually. And to do that, you're going to need your gloves because it's hot. So I just quickly give it a bit of flux. Again, just a little bit, and I just kind of work it around a bit. And I usually do these all at once, and then that way they're done, and as I come to it, I don't have to spend the time doing the tinning. So I'll get all of these done, and I'll be ready to put them together once I have soldered or tinned my holly leaves. So I'll go ahead and I'm going to tin all of my leaves like so. And then the other thing that I've done is I've taken another piece of wire that I want to use for the branch. And to make it a little bit more sturdy, I've just twisted it. So 2 pieces of wire and just twist it. So I'll be back shortly. See you soon.